What is the most disrespectful thing someone did to you while you were on an airplane? I was on a plane with my son. A meal was served, the full meal, with entree, salad, bread, and dessert. So the food tray took up pretty much my entire fold-down tray. The woman sitting in front of me had very long hair. I guess she wanted to relax, so she flipped all her hair over her seat back and into my food tray. Her hair was in my food. Who does this? Knowing that the food trays hadn't been collected yet, she still had her own tray in front of her. I looked at my son, then lifted up my plate so that her hair became good and coated in my food residue. Then I said, "Oh my gosh, ma'am, you just flipped your hair right onto my plate." She jumped up and started blotting her hair with a napkin. Never once apologized to me, didn't even look at me, which was okay because my son and I were choking back our laughter. She had to sit for the next 7 hours with gunky, smelly, airplane food-coated hair. Sorry, but she deserved it. She kept her hair to herself for the rest of the flight.